Smartphone company Oppo announced the F25 series and is launching it very soon shortly. Rumors and latest leaks coming from China suggest that the new Oppo F25 is lightning with our collection of the most futuristic and mind-blowing features, as we know that it will be an entry-level flagship series. Moving on to the specifications of the F25, you will have a powerful and well-known Dimensity 7050 chipset with the addition of an octa-core CPU to deliver the unbeatable speed that has never been experienced. On the other hand, this Oppo F25's 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory capacity also allow you to expand the memory of the device up to 1TB through the dedicated memory card slot. The massive display coming in the new Oppo's F25 adds, and the extra impressive look of the phone. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that can easily support the sharp resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate will make it buttery smooth. For camera lovers, the Oppo F25 offers a 64MP plus 2MP camera setup at the rear and a 32MP selfie sensor on the front of the device. The Future's F25 can last up to the entire day on just a single charge since it comes with an enormous 5000 mAh battery. Oppo is back in the market by launching the F25 series to grab its position back from its competitors. That's why other major brands, including Samsung, should prepare themselves before the launch of the F25 by Oppo. Build OS Android 14 OS UI ColorOS 14 Dimensions 7.54mm weight 177G SIM Dual SIM, Dual Standby, Nano SIM Colors Various Processor CPU Octa-core Chipset Dimensity 7050 GPU Mali G68 Display Technology